Today we're going to cover how to set up and take down the REI Co-op Wonderland Tent. This walkthrough applies to the Wonderland lineup, including both the Wonderland 4 and the Wonderland 6 tents. Now, while this isn't an instant tent, the setup's very manageable and well thought out for a tent of this size. The REI Co-op Wonderland tent typically takes about 10 to 20 minutes to set up, depending upon your experience and weather conditions. Having a second person definitely helps too, especially on larger models. So here's how to set it up. First, lay out the tent body flat on the ground and orient it where you want the doors to face. Next, stake down the four corners loosely to keep the tent from shifting while you build the frame. Now, assemble the poles. The poles are color-coded, which makes it much easier to know where everything goes. Start by inserting the black colored crossbar through the sleeve and into the corresponding black grommets. Next, insert one of the orange poles into the corresponding orange grommet at the front or back of the tent. The order really doesn't matter. Slide the pole through the sleeve, then gently raise the structure as you clip the tent's corresponding orange clips that are on the tent body to the poles. Finally, pull the grommet into the base. You'll need to use some force to do this, but once you do, it'll be standing upright on that side. Next up, you're going to take the V-shaped silver-colored poles. Place the one with only two connections into the corresponding grommets, then move to the other side of the tent. Place the other V-shaped pole into the grommets, then guide the long pole through the gap in the crossbar on the other side. Circle back around and pull the long pole into the other V-shaped connector. Finally, attach all the silver tent clips to the poles. Now head back to the final orange colored pole, slide through the sleeve and place it into the orange grommets just like you did before, and clip on all the orange tent clips. After the tent body is fully up, tighten the corner stakes as needed and adjust the tension so the tent stands evenly. Next, throw the Rainfly over the tent and align it with the doors and vents. Attach the Rainfly using the buckles and the red Velcro tabs, making sure it's fully secured to the pole structure. Finally, attach any guy lines as needed and stake down, especially if wind or rain is in the forecast. By myself, I was able to set up this tent in 15 to 20 minutes. It can easily be done a bit faster with two people. Now let's take it down. Taking down the REI Co-op Wonderland tent is essentially the reverse of setup and usually takes about 10 minutes or so. Start by opening the doors and vents to allow air to escape. Remove all stakes and loosen any guy lines. Unclip and remove the Rainfly and then fold it neatly and set it aside. Next, unclip the tent body from the poles. Carefully remove the poles from the grommets and break them down section by section. Place the poles and stakes back into their storage bags. Lay the tent body flat, folding it lengthwise to match the width of the tent bag, then roll it tightly. Sit on the tent body as you roll to remove any air pockets. This is where it gets tricky as the Wonderland stuff sack opens only at the top, and I've tried this a few different ways to get the tent back in the bag, but here's what I suggest. Layer the Rainfly into the tent body and push and finagle it into the stuff sack. Then, push the tent pole bag into the stuff sack by removing extra air. I find that it works best to do that separately, though who knows, maybe you can figure out a faster way. To be honest, this all takes a few tries, even though generally taking down the tent is not that big of a deal. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up and taking down the REI Co-op Wonderland tent. It's not an instant tent, but the thoughtful design, color-coded poles, and spacious layout make setup straightforward and stress-free. The only downside is the stuff sack situation. That is an issue with most tents, but here it's just a little more pronounced. So if you're looking for a premium, comfortable, and a livable car camping tent, the REI Co-op Wonderland is a fantastic option. We highly recommend it.